Hi, boys and girls. So, as you know, I told you last week that I was going to be out this Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I have a meeting that I have got to go to, so I will not be at school. I decided to make some video substitute plans because I thought that that might be a better way for us to make sure that we understand what we're supposed to be doing and that we get all the work in so that when I come back on Thursday, we're all caught up and right where we need to be. So, in Literacy Block, you're going to be working on some review word work. Now, this is going to be the patterns of the ARORORE that we did a couple of weeks ago. And then you're going to also be reviewing the pattern ER, IR, UR, and OR that we did last week. So you're going to have some word work each morning to work on. You're going to turn that word work in. Make sure that when you've completed yours, you put it in the turn-in tray. For fluency practice, you're going to be sticking with the butterfly garden passage that we had last week. And I'm going to leave the substitute specific details on what to do for each day, but there's going to be some partner read time and also some share out time that you have an opportunity to share what a wonderfully fluent reader you are with the class. Some other things that you're going to be doing this week. We need to be practicing for our next benchmark test. So I have found an HMH Module 6, which goes along with the module that we're working on right now, assessment that very closely resembles a benchmark test. So on Monday, you're going to be given time to complete the assessment, probably about 30 or 40 minutes, about the same amount of time that you would have on a benchmark, because we want to practice benchmark and testing behaviors and those sorts of things. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, while I'm out, we will review this together in another video. So I'm going to be making a second video where I go over this test. You follow along with me from the classroom, and we are reviewing the answers and why the correct answer is correct and why the other answers were not correct. So we'll look forward to that. You will also have time in class each day while I'm out to work on study island assignments, read work assignments, and HMH assignments. So I will go in and assign those for you for those 3 days that I'm out, and I do expect to see what I have assigned for those days completed and submitted to me so that I can check that, especially in ReadWorks. I know that in Study Island, it's not so much an assignment by day as it is a large pack of assignments. So I will be going in to see who completed what time each of you completed, because it will show me how many minutes you spent. It will also show me how many that you got right on a certain assignment and how many assignments that you attempted. So make sure that you're working in ReadWorks, in Study Island, and in HMH, you're going to also have assignments that are specific to that time period, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So make sure that you're getting those done too. So I will hop on in a few minutes and make a video that reviews this benchmark practice. It's called Module 6 Week 1 Assessment, and the substitute will be giving those out to you on Monday for you to complete. Please remember to do your own work on those. It doesn't do you any good to get your answers from someone else, because that doesn't let you know how much you know about it once we go back and start checking it together. So just a review, you're going to have word work, you're going to be practicing fluency, you're going to be completing this practice benchmark on Monday, and then we'll be reviewing it by video on Tuesday and Wednesday. Then after those days each day in the literacy block, you can log on. You need to work on ReadWorks assignments. You'll have one each day to do and complete and submit to me. Then you need to check HMH and Study Island for assignments. Remember, HMH and Study Island don't have specific things to do each day, but I will be looking on there to see what time you've spent and which assignments you've worked on and how well you've done. Please be on your best behavior these 3 days. I'll be checking in with the substitute. I'll be checking in with parents on Class Dojo, and if I need to contact any of them, I certainly will. On the other hand, I'll also be contacting parents of students that I get reports on that were exceptionally well behaved and helpful for the sub. Have a great 3 days, and I can't wait to see you on Thursday.